Hey guys, it's James here to do a little review on a SHTF Summit item I purchased from REI. Just picked it up tonight to go in my get home bag, bug out bag, whatever you want to call it. It's the SHTF Summit Alpha set, made out of 7075 T6 aircraft alloy. Comes in at 1.3 ounces for the whole set. I went this route just because I was looking at the titanium sporks, but I like to have my stuff individual. I don't want to have to try to, I know everybody carries a pocket knife, but I didn't want to have to cut with my good knife and beat it all up, whatever you have. Plus, I just like to have separate utensils. I think it'll be a lot more morale friendly when you're out there, or whatever your situation is. Just make you feel a little more at home. And for the weight, I forgot to look at the titanium spork, but these things are almost paper weight. I mean, they're really light. I mean, you can barely even, but they're pretty strong. I mean, for as light as they are. And I guess the ends have an M3, M4, and M5 wrench too, like a hex head on all the wrenches. And on this knife, it actually has serrations on it. There you go. Unlike the little spork, I don't see how you'd really be able to have a good meal with it. And it even comes with a little carabiner to clip it all together. There you have it, guys. That is the SHTF Summit Alpha set. Again, it's made out of 7075 T6 aircraft alloy, ultralight, hard anodized. It's in like a gunmetal color. Very lightweight. Thanks for watching.